Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to One More Thing. The topic we are going to talk about today is 10 ways to help you cheer up when you are tired. Everyone experiences tiredness and stress, and these negative emotions can affect our physical and mental health and quality of life. However, there are ways we can diffuse the situation, reinvigorate and restore energy and motivation to our lives. In today's video, I will share with you some psychological and health methods, including exercise, communicating with friends, seeking professional help, etc. These methods can help you relieve stress and emotions, refresh you and restore self-confidence and motivation. I hope these methods can help you, so that you can better deal with tiredness and stress, and regain the joy and happiness of life. Let's get started now. The first method is to keep a diary. When you feel tired, sometimes you need a place to express your feelings. Journaling is a great way to relieve fatigue and stress because it allows you to express your feelings, clarify your thoughts, and allow you to see your situation more clearly. Keeping a journal allows you to express your emotions and feelings, which allows you to release stress and emotions, thereby reducing the mental load. When you feel tired and exhausted, your thoughts often become muddled and confused, and journaling can help clarify your thoughts and allow you to better understand your situation and needs. Keeping a diary can help you record your growth and progress. When you look back at your diary, you will feel that you have come a long way, which can increase your self-confidence and motivation. It can help you develop positive thinking. When you write down your gratitude and joy, you will feel that your life is full of beauty and happiness, which can make you more optimistic and positive. Keeping a journal can help you explore your inner world and give you a better understanding of your needs and desires, which can help you better manage your emotions and behavior. Therefore, writing a diary can help you express your emotions, clarify your thoughts, record your growth, cultivate positive thinking and explore your heart, so as to effectively relieve fatigue and stress, and improve mental health and happiness. If you feel tired, try writing a diary to make yourself healthier and happier. The second way is to learn new skills. When you feel tired, it's probably because your life has become monotonous. Learning new skills allows you to challenge yourself and add joy and excitement to your life. You could try learning a new language, a new craft, or a new sport. When people feel tired, they often feel tired and lethargic. Learning new skills can help you release stress and exhaustion by diverting your attention and taking your mind off negative emotions. Learning new skills takes time and effort, and as your skill level improves, you will feel more capable and confident, which can help you cope better with challenges and difficulties, reducing stress and fatigue. Learning new skills requires you to constantly challenge yourself. When you successfully learn a new skill, you will feel a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction, which can help you improve your emotional state and mental health. Learning new skills can help you divert your attention and reduce stress and fatigue by allowing you to discover new interests and make your life richer and more meaningful. Therefore, learning new skills can help you divert your attention, improve your self-confidence, increase your sense of accomplishment and develop hobbies, thereby effectively relieving fatigue and stress. The third way is to travel. When you're tired, sometimes you need to step away from your routine and go somewhere new to unwind. Traveling allows you to experience new cultures and landscapes while also giving you a better understanding of yourself and the world. When you travel, taking a break from your normal living and working environment can provide a distraction that reduces stress and fatigue. It allows you to relax, enjoy beautiful scenery and novel experiences, so that you feel relaxed and happy. Traveling allows you to be exposed to different cultures and customs, thereby broadening your horizons, increasing your knowledge and insights, which can help you better understand the world and yourself. It allows you to meet new people and friends, thereby expanding your interpersonal relationship and increasing your social network, which can make you happier and more confident. Traveling takes courage and determination, and when you successfully complete a trip, you feel more empowered and confident, which can help you better cope with challenges and difficulties. Therefore, traveling can help you divert attention, relax, explore new cultures, cultivate interpersonal relationships and improve self-confidence, thereby effectively relieving fatigue and stress, and improving mental health and well-being. If you feel tired, you can consider going on a trip to make yourself more cheerful and happy. The fourth way is to hang out with friends. When you're feeling tired, sometimes you need some social activity to divert your attention. Gathering with friends allows you to unwind while also giving you support and encouragement. Gathering with friends allows you to share your emotions and feelings with your friends, which allows you to release stress and emotions, thereby reducing the psychological burden. It allows you to expand your social network and increase your relationships, which can make you feel happier and more confident. Gathering with friends allows you to have a good time, eat, drink and have fun with friends, which makes you feel relaxed and happy. It can add interest to your life, do some interesting things with your friends, and make your life richer and more meaningful. Gathering with friends allows you to receive support and encouragement from friends, which can help you better cope with difficulties and challenges, thereby improving mental health and well-being. Therefore, gathering with friends can allow you to share your emotions, increase your social network, enjoy good times, increase your interest in life and receive support and encouragement, thereby effectively relieving fatigue and stress, and improving mental health and happiness. If you feel tired, you can consider gathering with friends to make yourself happier and happier. The fifth method is exercise. Exercise releases endorphins, hormones that make you feel happy and relaxed. Try some light exercise, such as walking or yoga, to relax and restore your body and mind. Exercise releases energy from your body, which reduces stress and fatigue and makes you feel more energetic and alive. When you exercise, it distracts you from stress and problems, thereby letting you temporarily forget about stress and problems, thereby releasing stress and emotions and making you feel more relaxed and happy. Exercise promotes the release of endorphins, natural pain relievers and pleasure hormones that keep you feeling happy and well-being. It can improve physical fitness, enhance body immunity, and make you healthier and more energetic. When you successfully complete an exercise session, you feel more empowered and confident, which can help you better cope with challenges and difficulties. Therefore, exercise can release body energy, distract attention, release endorphins, improve physical fitness and increase self-confidence, thereby effectively relieving fatigue and stress, and improving mental health and well-being. If you feel tired, you can consider exercising to make yourself more energetic and energetic. The sixth method is to read. Reading allows you to escape reality while also allowing you to learn new knowledge and skills. Pick a book that interests you, let yourself relax and enjoy reading. When you read, it can distract you, so that you can temporarily forget about stress and problems, thereby releasing stress and emotions, and making you feel more relaxed and happy. Reading allows you to acquire new knowledge and information, which can increase your knowledge and level of knowledge and make you feel more confident and capable. It can improve your language skills, enhance your reading comprehension and expression skills, thus making you more confident and attractive. It can take you into another world, beyond reality, so that you feel more relaxed and happy. Reading stimulates your creativity and imagination, which in turn makes you more creative and inspired. Therefore, reading can distract attention, increase knowledge, improve language skills, transcend reality and stimulate creativity, thereby effectively relieving mental fatigue and stress, and improving mental health and well-being. If you feel tired, you can consider reading to make yourself more relaxed and happy. The seventh way is to watch movies. Watching movies can take you into a whole new world, and at the same time, it can let you release stress and relax yourself. Pick a movie you love and let yourself be engrossed in it. When you watch a movie, it can distract you, so that you can temporarily forget about stress and problems, thereby releasing stress and emotions, and making you feel more relaxed and happy. Movies allow you to empathize with the characters in the movie, which can help you feel more understood and relaxed, releasing emotions and stress. Watching a movie keeps you entertained and relaxing, which in turn makes you feel more joyful and relaxed. Allows you to broaden your horizons and learn about different cultures and perspectives, thereby increasing your level of insight and knowledge. You can watch it with friends, increase your social network, and make you feel happier and more confident. Therefore, watching movies can distract attention, generate emotional resonance, entertain and relax, expand horizons and share social interactions, thereby effectively relieving fatigue and stress, and improving mental health and well-being. If you feel tired, consider watching a movie to make yourself more relaxed and happy. The eighth way is to listen to music. Music can make you feel relaxed and happy. Pick some music you love, immerse yourself in it, and enjoy the beautiful experience that music brings. When you listen to music, it can distract you, so that you can temporarily forget about stress and problems, thereby releasing stress and emotions, and making you feel more relaxed and happy. Music can regulate your mood and make you feel calmer and more relaxed, thereby releasing stress and emotions. It promotes physical and mental relaxation, which reduces stress and fatigue, leaving you feeling more comfortable and relaxed. It can reduce anxiety and depression, increase mental health and well-being, and make you feel more confident and positive. Listening to music can increase your sense of well-being and happiness, which in turn makes you feel happier and more content. Therefore, listening to music can distract attention, regulate emotions, promote relaxation, reduce anxiety and increase happiness, thereby effectively relieving fatigue and stress, and improving mental health and well-being. If you feel tired, consider listening to music to make yourself more relaxed and happy. The ninth method is to do something you like. When you feel tired, sometimes you need to do something you enjoy to make yourself feel happy and relaxed. You can try to do some sports, crafts or cooking that you like. Doing things you enjoy increases your sense of joy and well-being, which in turn makes you feel happier and more content. It can stimulate your motivation and enthusiasm, making you feel more energetic and positive. Doing something you enjoy can boost your confidence and sense of self-worth, making you feel more confident and proud. It can distract you, temporarily forget your tiredness and stress, release stress and emotions, and make you feel more relaxed and happy. Doing what you like can cultivate your interests and hobbies, and increase the joy and richness of your life. Therefore, doing what you like can increase happiness, motivate motivation, enhance self-confidence, distract attention and cultivate interest, thereby effectively relieving fatigue and stress, and improving mental health and happiness. If you feel tired, you can consider doing something you like to make yourself more relaxed and happy. The last option is to seek professional help. Seek professional help if you feel like you can't cope with a tired situation. They can provide you with effective advice and support to get you back on your feet. Professional psychologists and doctors can provide professional advice and guidance to help you better understand your situation and problems so that you can find better solutions. If your mental fatigue and stress have affected your life and health, professional help can provide correct disease diagnosis and treatment, so as to help you restore health and vitality. Seeking professional help can provide a safe and confidential environment where you can freely express your emotions and thoughts, leading to better therapeutic outcomes. Professional psychologists and doctors can provide emotional support and reassurance so you feel understood and cared for, reducing stress and anxiety. Can help you build better stress and emotion management skills, leading to better mental health and well-being in the long run. Therefore, seeking professional help can provide professional advice, disease treatment, security, emotional support and long-term benefits, thereby effectively relieving fatigue and stress, and improving mental health and well-being. If you feel tired, consider seeking professional help to make yourself healthier and happier. Thank you for watching this video. I hope these methods can help you regain your strength when you are tired. If you have any questions or need further support, please don't hesitate to ask for help. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel and share the video. We will continue to bring you more valuable videos.